How to create multiple audience in MailChimp. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create multiple audience in MailChimp. So let's get started. First of all, you gotta log into your MailChimp account, and here at the left side, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So in order to add multiple audience, you gotta click on audience over here, and once you do so, you gotta click on all contacts, and over here you'll be able to see all of your contacts listed that you already have over here. So you're going to click on add contacts, and if you wish to add a single contact, you can click on add a single contact, but for that you have to manually enter the details of every single contact. So that is quite hectic. You can click on import contacts and create multiple audience at once. So here are three options that how you can add multiple audience. One is importing from another service such as Amazon and other service third-party application, and other is uploading from CSV file, such as it should contain some information, and either you can copy and paste information. So let us just upload a file. Now here you gotta select or drag and drop any file. So I'm going to click on select a file, and I already have a CSV file of examples, so I'm going to click on continue. And once you click on that, you will be able to see an interface that will look something like this. So you got to organize your contacts. So first you got to select current audience, and then you got to add tags to specify those contacts for future use. So you can just select any tags that would help you specify those contacts. So you can give them whatever tags you want, and then you got to select whether the columns are correct. You can just go through them and whether the names and everything's are correct. So once done, you got to click on continue. So once you click on continue over here, you'll be able to see that whether you wish to select email marketing status with them or not. So you got to select subscribe, unsubscribe, whatever you want, and then you got to have a review and just complete your import. So once you click on complete import, you can click on view new contacts, and once you click on that, you'll be able to see all of your new audience being added into your MailChimp. So here you can see that these contacts have just been added, and I just, instead of adding manually every single contact, I have added multiple audience at once. So that was how you can add multiple audience in MailChimp. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.